Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2013 Toyota Sequoia SR5. Now the most notable features on this SR5 is its parking sensors. You also have your heated front seats and backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2013 Toyota Sequoia SR5. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SR5 is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. Taking a closer look, as you can see, you have your hood deflector, and over on the side you can see your parking sensors as well as your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You have your running boards. Up top you have your foldable mirrors and heated mirrors, and you'll see you have your roof rack, and the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver. Now, taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your gray leather interior with your power driver seat with lumbar support. You have your mirror controls as well as a couple of other additional features, which include your window locks, power locks, and window controls. And you have some storage space located just down below. Now, taking a closer look just at the steering wheel here, as you can see, you have your volume control, mode select, seek function, Bluetooth, voice recognition, and cruise control as well. Now, taking a closer look at the exact odometer reading there, you'll just see it in the center. And over on the side, you'll find your hazard lights as well as your info button, as well as your parking sensors on and off, just located down below here with the setup and that. And that's for the options just located at the top here. So as you can see, you have your range and digital clock. Now if you hit the info button, it'll show you an exterior temperature gauge as well as your average fuel economy in here. When you turn your parking sensors on or off, you take a look on the right hand side of the screen there, you'll see it actually just turn on. You have your AM, FM, as well as your CD player in here. Temperature controls just located down below for the dual zone climate control. Rear temperature controls just located underneath with the heated seat controls for your driver and passenger. 4x4 select, tow haul, mounted to an automatic transmission. As you can see, you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, and then you have your open and close as well as the tilt up and down feature for the power mooner for the sunglass case holder. And this is also where you'll access your you'll see your backup camera. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate, if we take a closer look, you'll see your backup camera just located in the center there. And then your rear hatch release will be located just down below. So taking a closer look, as you can see, you do have a 60-40 split for your third row. Now, one of the nice things is they're power folding seats, so you can use the controls that are just located on the back here. And then if you need more additional cargo room, you can actually fold down the second row for yourself as well. And if we take a look just underneath the floor here, as you can see, you have plenty of under the floor cargo space if you want to place some smaller items just underneath there. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.